Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to fix the problem of missing taskbar icons on Windows 11. Let's get started. First, go to your taskbar and right-click on it. From the menu that appears, select Task Manager. Now, in the Task Manager window, look for Windows Explorer. Click on it once to select it, and then on the top right corner, click the Restart Task button. Wait a few seconds for your desktop to refresh. Next, open the search bar and type CMD. When you see Command Prompt, right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. Once it opens, go to the description of this video, copy the first command, paste it into Command Prompt, and press Enter. Do the same for the second and third commands, one at a time. After that, close Command Prompt. And that's it. Your taskbar icons should be back, and everything should be working perfectly again. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick Windows fixes.